maybe you were watching this video on the Square Root Club and you didn't know how to calculate your GPA or what a GPA is and why it might be of importance to you. So let me show you. GPA stands for grade point average. And what it is, it's a way for an institution like a school to change your letter grades into a number and put it on a scale so they can see what kind of student you are, just like at a glance. Yeah, so here's how it works. You can't take an average of letter grades. If you have 2 A's and 2 B's, you don't have a well, that doesn't make any sense. So what they do is they assign numeric values. Like that, A is 4, B is 3, C is 2, D is 0, or sorry, D is 1, and an F is. So let's say you were taking English, Math, Science, and PE. I mean, yeah. Now, let's say in English you got a B. And in math, because you're, watching Bearded Math Man all the time, you got an A. Science, oh man, those labs, maybe you didn't do them. Let's say you got a, but PE, good to go. So all you got to do is add those up and divide by the number of classes. Oh. So again, B's are 3, A's are 4, C's are 2, and all you got to do is add them up. After you add them up, 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 13, I think, because 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 3, 13, right? 13 divided by 4, yeah, that's a decimal, but no big deal, right? That's a 3.25 GPA. That means you're a B student, right? Which makes sense. You got 2 A's, a B, and a C. A little bit better than a B average, 3.25. Now, if you're taking, say, 6 classes a semester, like a lot of high schools do, and you do that for all 4 years, that's 8 semesters. Oh my goodness. Having all those letters makes it impossible, but at the end, all they do is this calculation right here. They assign a number to every single letter grade, add them up, divide by how many classes there were, and boom, you got your GPA. Now, sometimes schools offer weighted GPAs for honors courses and advanced placement courses, and here's how that would work. Now, this might be a little different depending on your school, but a lot of the time they give you a 5 for an A and a 4 for a B, 3 for a C, and D's and F's are still 1 and 0 though. But it would be like that. But it'd be like this with honors classes, A's 5, B 4, right? So a B in an honors class would be worth a GPA the same as an A in a non-honors class. Kind of cool. That's a big reason why a lot of people take honors classes to begin with. Now, who cares about GPA, right? Well, people look at your GPA. People want to give you scholarships, perhaps. They're going to see if you have a good GPA or not, because that tells them if you are a good student or not. Now, the connection between intelligence and good grades is often confused. If you have a 3.8 GPA, you probably are smart. But the converse of that is not really true. You can have a 2.1 GPA and you might be smarter than the valedictorian. So regardless of how all that shakes out, the way you find your GPA is you just convert the letter grades into the numbers 4, 3, 2, 1, or if you're taking honors courses, then do that appropriately. Add up all the numbers, divide by how many classes you were taking, and boom, you're done. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If it was, you could click like and maybe share it with other people, and visit my website, beardedmathman.com. Anyway, thank you for watching.